Quantum vehicle power magnets are a revolutionary new technology that uses our exclusive quantum nanovortex technology, directly infused into special magnets that completely and instantly enhance and supercharge the way your vehicle operates and drives. 4 specially treated quantum nanomagnets are placed in strategic places inside your engine area, 2 on the battery, and the remaining 2 on the engine block anywhere that magnets will stick. When applied, you will instantly see and feel and notice a major dramatic increase in your vehicle's power, performance, torque, acceleration, and mileage. You won't have to wait 1 day, 1 hour, or 1 minute. It happens instantly. What's the real deal? It only takes seconds to install. No tools needed. Works instantly on any vehicle and performance. The quantum magnets last and work forever on your vehicle. The quantum magnets do not void or affect your vehicle's warranty. Works on cars, trucks, motorbikes, ATVs, boats, quads, and big rigs. 100% guarantee satisfaction or your money back. Example on how the quantum vehicle power magnets work. Normally the atoms in the fuel and electricity are randomly bouncing around in every direction with no order or harmony. When you apply the quantum magnets to your vehicle, they send out an invisible signal to your fuel and electricity with their exclusive quantum nanovortex technology, making the atoms line up in a single file order. The result of this is the atoms becoming completely harmonious with each other, going through all the wiring, components, injectors, tubes, and engine very efficiently. Your entire vehicle becomes one big harmonious working machine. We are so sure that this product will work for you that we offer 100% full 30-day money-back guarantee.